Juni somni sahni somni parok breaking news. Again di chuan Iran-in Strait of Hormuz an khar le tawni a boy tlak thin khop mai he thi la hi eng wange nge chan eng ting reng khar le don tunge abul tum tu kan ron ri kan ron soi sai tran mai he kan en holo kang
KCTVS te chuan pathian le mipui min do saktu te azara Mizoram sum don na huang kan za vezela Pongko na showroom le servicing center changchung tak kan nei mai baka mipui te ta na ol samjok nan model veng lama po branch thar showroom le servicing center changchung tak kan nei boka
district dang lunglei siaha sampai kolasi serchi longtlai mamit le na thiala te sub dealer changchung tak kan nei boke
TVS lir thai te reng hi tangram mil le tlo tia soi chin an ni a lir thai mai baka parts le service man te tlom big le zela wang hian TVS chu mipui than an chaume zela ni
TVS scooty te bike te in lo lei ve theu do ni o hola en reaction ang let's go. Breaking news is coming in. Breaking news.
This is the latest from Iran, and Iran's top joint military command says the Strait of Hormuz will be closed to vessel traffic, citing alleged violations of a ceasefire agreement by the United States and Israel.
United States le Israel kahai puan chung chang ve la wang de yani he thili om ji chu karin dana chuanin Israel hianin Lebanon a be awang hian Iran ngai dana chuan US le Iran te inkara inka hai an puana in remna kan saina hian engma om zia anei lo antia chuwang chuanin Iran an sipai ho tulu berte chuanin heteng hianin official takin notice an ron chua Strait of Hormuz long kaltang zongjong te khatuna chuanin kaltang theilohin a om chun zom le to don ti na ani an han hong rei lo ve khop mai ro pui deu te khanin kan han riek vela kan chani la ngi te po khan.
Opening the Strait of Hormuz was the first point of the memorandum of understanding signed by the United States and Iran.
United States le Iran te inrem na an sign a khanin Strait of Hormuz hon kha an thupui berle an ngai poimo masak ber kha ania.
Iranian forces say the decision to shut the strait was taken in response to Israel's attacks on southern Lebanon.
Israel te na Lebanon simla ma be puan thaka wangin heteng hianin Iran te hianin ma an le ta ni ti kan thre thei ta ni buai thla khop mai Israel lampang hianin Lebanon be hi an top san du boxi lova heteng hianin buai na ya bok le don ni na la ni
which they described as a breach of Tehran's agreement with Washington. The statement added that the closure was the first step in response to what is called violations of commitments, warning that further measures would follow if aggression continues.
Oh, Israel lampang hianin Lebanon hi an bezel ni suanin Iran lampang hianin ma karon la zel don tuna Strait of Hormuz kan khar le hi kan enge kan warning na chawala ni antiani Israelina Lebanon be an simlawa an top san du lo chuan Iran lampang hianin a ayan na sazokin ma an la le zel don ani.
The announcement came as Lebanese authorities say 16 people have died over the past 24 hours despite
dakar somni palithungin Israel lampangin mi som paruk an lo thadani
the ceasefire between Israel and Hezbollah. A day earlier, Lebanese authorities reported 47 people were killed in Israeli airstrikes, while Israel announced the deaths of 4 of its soldiers.
Ma po han lo thatte to ni ti chonin boi thak the chu Trump hianin Hezbollah le Israel in kara in ka haya puanga tian puanga ni thate te zom ve mai om hai ding hianin lo in kap le Israel lampang te pon sipayan chan om je chu Hezbollah te po hianin Israel te an ka ve tho chu wang chonin an thiam ber chung lo tin Israel lampang te pon Hezbollah an be reng tho chu wang chonin an thiam ber chung lo tu na po hian mo.
That's the highest combined casualty counts since the US and Iran reached their agreement. Before the announcement of the closure of the Strait of Hormuz, maritime trackers reported that shipping traffic through the strait had reached its busiest level in 2 months following a deal to halt the US-Iran war. Now, according to
Hemi Iran lampangina anron puan ma hian mo Strait of Hormuz hanin tun than ni nuwa Strait of Hormuz an khar nuwa an buai tumber long kaltang tam tumber kha athengani ti chuanin khatianga ni hnuwa khanin thil khapa ngai ang khanan ron lang chho viewa US le Iran te ponin remandu ti an thria amaro chu atiang hianin thil kha an ron om chhole ta heta hianin wayon lampang hianin video dang an ron posa Trump acted out of desperation Mojtaba Khamenei breaks silence on peace deal ti hi wayon lampang hianin an ron report le ni tunge Mojtaba Khamenei gan ti chuanin indo ni masaberan tha ngeli Khamenei ya fapa khani Mojtaba Khamenei hi mo ti chuan hepa hi angoi charchara a re ang reng khop maya tudan hianin wayon lampangina an soidan chuanin aron tong chuak ta a Mojtaba Khamenei hianin a soidan chuan Donald Trump hianin deal siam adu man mo le lutuk uchuak nalama hetiang hianin thil hi ati vutani ti in Mojtaba Khamenei hianin hetiang hianin aron soi chuak ta ani thudik ani chuanin a on ve tho mai Donald Trump atampo aman mo thak achan chu khovel nun phung ka ati boy ani tudan in do wang hian oil man te po asang chho le a ti chuanin Trump khan ti khan man mo tak khanin alo che po ni theya ti chuanin he thil hi dot po ni ve thei tho tuna hetianga thilan om chhole ta ka hianin Trump a mel ti che theina ti bal theina turani ama ti mual pholet ve theina turani engtinge kapa laka engtinge kapa khati khani na lo thata engtinge phuba kan lak ve ang ti poti ve theya ata na sipai chakna ma phuba lak vak po kha thei bik chuang lo mai thei chu wang chuan hetiang hianin aming hiti hian kan ti chhewe deng an ti mual pho ve deng ka thei ang hianin hetiang hian advantage kan la ve te ang te po ati ni thei chu thil pahni kha a omle thei thlat mai ani
To data from tracking firm Axis Marine, a total of 25 commercial vessels crossed the newly reopened strait on Thursday, the highest number since mid-April, and more than 3 times the daily average of just over 7 ships since early March. The
March tira te kazwani long pasari han kaltangani kem khop maya ti chuanin vointe nimin piele ate kazwani kaltang khan tam khop maya ni long khamo
followed an agreement this week between Iran and the United States to reopen the crucial route as part of a deal to end the war that came before talks between the two sides in Switzerland were postponed.
Ti chuanin atira khan Iran hian in Strait of Hormuz he direct again aron khar hal big lawani nisan lama te pokanon react to kha Switzerland US le Iran te in biak tu rakha Switzerland lampang khanin an postpone ani ti kha official ta khanin an ron puwa ani ti zoni JD events ate po Switzerland lama an zin tum te po kha an thul le no a thok chuak man tre pa maro chu an thul le no an thul le man ram ni te po khanin news an khat kha zonin an ron report po ani hatiang khathil om je ania an hanin befel man teu khop maya nimin lama Switzerland ani biak tur thulani ti an ron reporta ti zon hei voin lama Iran zonin Strait of Hormuz kan khar le donani an ti le tani Iran hianin Strait of Hormuz he an man ropoi mo lutukani ti hi an hrethiam ve kar to box ye tuna chuan khovel nun phung an chok boi thei ti an thria chuwang chuan hetiang hianin an ron ti le de umak mai ni hetianga thinan ti na chan po hi Israelin Lebanon abe ireng wangani
Iranian forces had effectively closed the strait after US and Israeli strikes sparked the war on February 28th. Maritime authorities later reported dozens of attacks on ships in that area.
Back to news om tolo ni ani po hem ponturan sabik vak lo ni hiteng hem video ti reina nanon ti kolvel
warning that further measures would follow.
Video ti reina nanon ti kolvel me ni ve ho hia apoi mo bera chuan in tuna hian in Strait of Hormuz an khar le don chu chuan enge hong don kan ti chuan oil man hi thok le khata ron sanghal vut lo theya achan chu Iran lampang hina longkal tlang tumte an kap te ni lo kha chuan in oil man te pok aron sanghal vut lo thei ama ero chu hetiang hianin Iran lampang hianin Strait of Hormuz an khara longkal tlang tumte kha an ka an be chun zom ani chuan longtam tak khanin kaltang kha an ngam don lowa tin United States lampang te po in Navy blockade kha an tivele ani chuanin oil man hi aron chho lawang ti kha soi thei lo ani ta ani oil man da chho chuan thlona man te train ticket man te bungroman shim te petrol man te ti khanin ato chun zom reng don ni in alang ani tuna ri chuan mo ti chuan in Iran lampang hian in engtinge ma alak zui zelang ti chu Israel che dana hena in don ani soitong khanin Israel in hetianga ma alak na Iran in hetianga ma alak na chan chu Israel in Lebanon lo be lewang Israel in Lebanon hi abe no na abe zui zelani chuan Iran lampang te po hian in missile mangin Israel thấy ăn cáp lì là vấn đề khá sôi thấy anh là vấn đề hay a breaking news rem khóc maya cover international news tấm ta kina breaking news an puan rualin tiếng hiền in kan ron puang về ngal anh in lok pui in trang kai pui ka ringin ka be sei ka ti zong kha tun chuma ta na kan hanin update thei ni se nak tuk lama mun le thep do ni